Hi everyone, welcome back to the Balanced Bite. Today we are diving into 2 delicious meal prep options. First, we have a creamy and flavorful shrimp salad enhanced with fresh dill, some crunchy celery, and a little bit of red onion for some delicious flavor. Then our tuna salad brings in the perfect blend of textures with some sweet relish, again some celery, some red onion, and a little bit of mayonnaise. Both are easy and nutritious options, making it a breeze for meal prepping for the week. I hope you will give it a try. Let's jump into what you're going to need for this meal prep.
So today I have a little helper, and she's going to point out everything that's needed and show you how to put the shrimp all together. Now let's go ahead and make the sauce for the shrimp. Let's add our red onion to begin with, followed by the celery. Then let's add our lemon juice and stir that in really well. Next, add your mayonnaise. Followed by the brown mustard and the dill and the parsley mixed in well. Make sure to get it all out. Then finally put the salt and pepper in there and stir it all together really well. And after the shrimp has marinated overnight in the refrigerator, go ahead and take it out and drain the sauce in a colander. Okay, so now let's go ahead and assemble our meal prep bowls. I used a pre-mixed salad. I'm just going to put it right there into the little containers and fill the other half of the side with the shrimp. Now with the shrimp, if you drained it and you feel like, oh, it's a little dry, you can go ahead and add a tablespoon of mayonnaise to it, light mayonnaise or Greek yogurt, whatever you prefer. And there you have it. Your shrimp salad is prepped for the week and ready to go. Yay! Now let's make our tuna fish meal prep. Now that the tuna has been made, let's go ahead and assemble it into the meal prep containers. I cut up 2 bell peppers and I'm stuffing them with the mixture. I added carrots to each container because I'm doing low carb and I want to keep a little bit of variety in there. So I have some carrots, but you could also, you know, if you're a little less strict on your carb count, you could definitely make this into a sandwich. But look at how delicious these look. Yum.
And there you have it, 2 delicious lunch options prepped for your lunch for the week. 3 shrimp salad servings and 4 of the tuna with the red bell pepper. A balanced meal for a light, refreshing lunch. I hope you found this meal prep helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to The Balanced Bite for more healthy recipe ideas. Please leave me a comment below if you tried out these recipes. Thanks so much, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Bye for now.